Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll show you how to fix a spacebar that's sticking on your MacBook. So let's get right into it. First, try cleaning under the key. As you can see here, you will find your keyboard right here, and you might want to clean it regularly. And under the keyboard there might be some gunk or some leftovers that you might want to clean, and it will hopefully fix your issue. Next, check on the debris on the side of your MacBook. You want to check for debris right around this part of your keyboard. This is the part where you want to check for your debris. A soft brush or toothpick can help gently loosen particles, but be very careful of not damaging your keyboard right over here. Your MacBook keyboard is very expensive and very hard to clean. If it's still sticking, try removing and installing the keycap. Carefully pry it off with a flat tool. You can use a flat tool to pry open it from here. You can use it right here. Sometimes a simple restart also helps in case the key is unresponsive due to software glitches. If the issue is not going away, consider visiting an Apple store or authorized service center. It could be an hardware problem. And that's it, guys. Easy ways to fix a sticky spacebar and get back to smooth typing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MacBook tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.